Lisa with LABOTANICA Plant Magic. We bring to you Costa Rican-inspired botanical beauty formulas designed to nourish the skin and balance the mind. We are here to nourish the skin we live in, fall in love with this beautiful tissue and honor it during our different cycles in life. And I want to invite you to join this plant magic journey and unveil your unfiltered beauty. And today we're going to talk to you about Lunar Hair Potion. Lunar Hair Potion is a decadent hair elixir, as our hair is the veil of protection for our crown, and our crown is our most celestial connection with the divine. We want to apply this dreamy formula before nodding off to sleep, but just in a side note, it's become a loving formula for the daily hair ritual. Apply a few pumps into our palms for a scalp ritual. And how we do our scalp ritual is that we apply it onto our palms, and then we use our fingertips to go back and forth, side to side, back and forth, and then we go on circular motions to really connect with our scalp, activate circulation, and really push this beautiful blend of oils to nourish all the follicles that are going to be born and the tissue in our scalp. For everyday use, you're going to use it to tame flyaways, and also we're going to work this elixir all the way to the ends, pressing it into the hair strands and pulling it like a rope, almost like Rapunzel, working it in the ends, midst to ends, with your hands. Superhero ingredients in this elixir are marula, known to promote elasticity and seal in hydration; passion fruit, which also contains potassium, vitamin B6, and B12, which help with the circulation in your scalp. The benefits of passion fruit lead to a healthy scalp and healthy follicles, which is the most important for growing healthy, long, luscious hair. There's a few insider tips. Curly hair textures lovers are so crazy about this elixir and how bouncy, defined, and supple the elixir makes their curls. Also, it's great to apply if you highlight your hair or do bleaching treatments to recondition and hydrate your scalp after one of those treatments. Amazing to tap in flyaways, and also to smooth frizz and control the ends. It's a beautiful shine enhancer. So recap, this elixir can be used as a scalp treatment to nourish, condition the scalp. It can be used for your hair strands to nourish, condition, and hydrate strands from root to ends. And it can also be done for everyday polishing and styling. Lunar Hair Elixir is a must in your daily beauty rituals. Its blend of essential oils will really take you to a different level of emotional well-being. Pura Vida, enjoy this connection to your crown, and see you in the shiny side. Bye! Hola, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're in this plant magic journey to reveal our unfiltered beauty and trust the journey. Can't wait to see you again. Messages if you have any questions. Pura Vida!